Hello, today we'll try to understand what is a function notation, and then we'll also try some problems related to the function notation. So let us see what a function notation is. So if I write y is equal to 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is how normally we represent an equation. But now I can express it into a function notation, which means I can write it down as f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. This means here y and f of x are the same. The only difference is that the y also can be written as f of x, which means this function is dependent on x. So either we call it as f of x or we call it as f at x. Now, if we have been told to find f of 2, so what we just need to do in this function is replace the x in the equation by a 2. So this would become 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1. So for solving it, it will be 3 times 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. We have 3 times 4, 12 plus 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is equal to 17. So f of 2 is 17. Now, if we are asked to find f of negative 3b, then wherever there is x in the equation of fx, we will replace that x by a negative 3b. So which means our function now turns to 3 times x being replaced by negative 3b. So this is negative 3b squared plus 2 times negative 3b plus 1. Now, once we want to solve it, it will be 3 times negative 3 squared is 9 and b squared is just b squared. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 and b just there plus 1. And now when we multiply this, 9 times 3, 27b squared minus 6b plus 1. So which means f of negative 3b is equal to this. Now, let us try solving this question given to us. The question says the graphs of y is equal to fx. So y is equal to fx. The graph is this one. And for y is equal to gx, this is the graph given to us. And we have been told to evaluate these using these graphs. So they're saying us to calculate f of 1. This means we have to use the function y is equal to fx. We have to find the value of the function when x is equal to 1. So let us go to this and see where is x equal to 1. So here, when x is equal to 1, our y is equal to 2. So which means f of 1 is equal to 2. Let us look into the next one. This is telling us to find the value of y from this function when the value of x given to us is negative 2. Let us again go to the graph. The x value negative 2 is over here. So to find the y value, we'll see where does it meet the graph at x equals negative 2. So at this point, y is equal to 4. So g of negative 2 is equal to 4. Let us try out part C. So first we have to find f of 4. So this is 4, but the point is over here. So f of 4 is equal to -1. So we write this as -1. And we are going to subtract now g of -2, which means the y value in the g function when x is -2. So we are taking x as -2. The y value is 4. We already calculated it. So we are just going to put it as 4. So -1 subtract 4 is a -5. Now this one is a little bit different. It is asking us to calculate the value of x when fx is equal to -3. This means they are telling us to calculate the x when y is equal to -3. So we go to the f function when y is equal to -3. So we go over here, and when we check this out, we have two different values of x. So one possibility of x over here is -3, and the other possibility of x over here is -4. So part B has two solutions. When x is -3 or x is -4, the fx or y is equal to -3. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.